Hello， 朋友们好，今天是5月28号，星期天，这里是纽约的琼斯海滩。过一会儿，美国空军雷鸟飞行表演队将在这里有一场飞行表演，我们一起来欣赏一下。每年的飞行表演都吸引了非常多的观众。大家看那个架子，那是主席台。今天这人非常多。
Monday through Friday with updates throughout the day. You can watch Newsday TV anytime, anywhere on any device. Free.
我想给大家介绍一下，这次飞行表演有很多特色嘉宾，其中有美国陆军金骑士降落伞队，他们这是第17次亮相。其他还有来自军方的表演队，其中包括美国海军 F-35C 表演队、美国海岸警卫队和第106救援联队、纽约空军国民警卫队示范队，还有广为人知的女特技飞行员杰西·潘德，她将与美国空军博物馆的战鸟一起在琼斯海滩进行第2次飞行表演。还有来自长岛的大卫·温德米尔和纽约州立大学法明戴尔州立学院飞行表演队，他们计划驾驶22架大学拥有的飞机。还有来自民间的表演者，其中包括世界著名的打字机和他们的5架2战老式飞机飞行中队，还有北美获奖最多的特技飞行员迈克尔·古利安。好了，现在就让我们一起来欣赏这场精彩的飞行表演。
In Oklahoma is one of the most agile aerobatic airplanes in the world today, and it takes great skill to do the kind of gyroscopic tumbling maneuvers you're seeing David Windmiller right now with a quadruple knife-edge tumble. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for David Windmiller. there in center stage as he pushes up over the top. 58 years old with a custom engine by Panyan Aero Engines. He's been flying since he was 14. He soloed.
Warbird Thunder flies two World War II ex-Navy SNG advanced trainer aircraft. Their demonstration will feature classic aerobatic and military training maneuvers while showcasing the precision, the beauty, and the grace of formation aerobatics. And as C pulls the nose up, see me and you go beautiful. First performed in 1913, the classic look. Formation flying is a skilled art form demanding both discipline and trust. It's designed barrel roll. Since 1930, the barrel roll has been the cornerstone of military flight training aviation.
swimmer because the water
远处的直升飞机在表演海上救援。
the swimmer or the victim.
I had no idea. Now, there's that hoist. I am told that hoist is capable of lifting 600 pounds at 200 feet per minute. If they have to get going, they can do it quickly.
这架直升机是属于美国海岸警卫队的。
And as you can just see, we just recovered our rescue.
That is the C-47, known as the Dakota, known as the Goonie Bird. But the C-47 was the militarized version of the Douglas DC-3. When America entered the war, the production lines for the DC-3 passenger aircraft were commandeered by the War Department, and some 11,000 of these aircraft were manufactured and flown not only by our military, but by other military arms as well. They carried paratroopers, they carried jeeps, they carried wounded soldiers back to hospitals. On the outside, North American Texans, SNJs, or AT-6s as they were known by the Army Air Force, those are the ones similar to the ones flown by Warbird Thunder a while ago. But in the middle is an aircraft designed and built right here on Long Island by the Grumman, and was not only manufactured here on Long Island by Grumman, but as Grumman was tasked with making the new, when he was actually 17, he was too young. He was the second youngest naval aviator in World War II. His name, George H.W. Bush, to become the 31st president of the United States. He was flying one of these Avenger aircraft when it was hit by Japanese fire. His two crew members perished in the crash, but George H.W. Bush survived and floated in a life raft for some 4 hours until he was picked up by a U.S. rescue submarine. Let's listen to the sound of these radial piston engines. The American Air Power Museum is open this weekend, today from 10 to 5 and tomorrow from 10 to 4. 1,900 horsepower engine powered the Avenger. It is so amazing to think that because it's a battleship as a dominant weapon system of naval warfare. Formation will now reposition for a head-on pass, which will give an outstanding view of the business end of these electronic attack aircraft. Note that each aircraft has dropped their tail lift, symbolic to a long and proud lineage of carrier battles throughout U.S. naval history. Andy, it's over. Want to say hi to New York? No! Ground King, sir. Hope to be here. Hope you guys like the show. You guys are looking good out there. All right, bumper overshot center line here. Once we get back. Ram 6, Frank Christie from Green Lawn, New York. So please welcome the 2023 Farmingdale State College Flying Ram. Joint Strike Fighter models that the F-35 can get places where no other fighter has.
Of where Sully and Skiles and his great crew were, and to give the students an opportunity to look left toward LaGuardia, right toward Teterboro, and say, yeah, Sully made a good call, but of course a gutsy call, because landing on the water, as you know, Rob, frequently doesn't end up that way.
But when you get a guy with the kind of experience like Sully and also Jeff Skiles, those two work together as a team to bring that airplane safely into the water without turning it over.